In today's class, we will discuss about the role of reason and intuition in the teaching learning process. Role of reason and intuition as a means of knowledge in the contemporary world is important for providing an universal design in teaching learning process. There are two major parts involved. Traditions. One is spirituality, the movement towards liberation, and the other is technology, the attempt to control and master the visible and invisible forces, and thus enjoy the world around us. In fact, the condition of perfect enjoyment is imperfect liberation. The conscious being has entered into an evolutionary becoming in this material universe. According to Sri Aurobindo, this divine being, always liberated, self-conscious, infinite and free, has assumed the form of a material here into greater and greater forms of consciousness. An evolution that is essentially a play of delight. A rational and objective approach to knowledge has been developed to an unprecedented degree in Western civilization. Since the Enlightenment began, a more intuitive, subjective approach has tended to be the characteristics of Eastern culture. The role that intuition has played in Western science is an example of cooperation of rational and non-rational faculties in some of the humanities' most extraordinary achievements, such as the discoveries in quantum physics. Even the quantum physics now declares that there is substratum of energy behind everything in this world. This is called consciousness by the recent and ancient seers and sages who realized oneness of life of India, which is being taken into account by the other scientific minds also. The quest for knowledge is also represented by the ancient Greek injunction, know thyself. Both subjective and objective knowledge have been cultivated in every civilization. In India, the Upanishads spoke of the knowledge of the world as the lower knowledge. This included subjects such as astronomy and linguistics, to which ancient India made major contributions. But the knowledge of the universal spirit attained through self-realization was regarded as the highest knowledge, which being known, all is known. Sometimes decisive advances in sciences have been achieved by a fusion of rigorous mathematical thinking with almost mystical insight. So that is why reason and intuition has a very important role in the process of teaching and learning. So that was all for today's class. Thank you.